Cadillac ELR repair cost. The Cadillac Motor Car Division is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors Company that designs and builds luxury vehicles. Its major markets are the United States, Canada, and China. Cadillac models are distributed in 34 additional markets worldwide. The 2016 Cadillac ELR is a plug-in hybrid luxury coupe that aimed to combine stylish design, advanced technology, and efficient powertrain options. Here are some of the notable features and specifications of the 2016 Cadillac ELR. Servicing your Cadillac ELR is essential to maintain its performance, reliability, and longevity. Regular maintenance helps ensure that the vehicle continues to operate at its best. Here are some common service and maintenance tasks for a Cadillac ELR. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Follow the recommended oil change intervals as specified in the owner's manual. Tire maintenance. Regularly rotate the tires to ensure even wear and check the tire pressure to maintain optimal handling and safety. Brake inspection. Have the brakes inspected and serviced as needed to ensure they're in good working order. This includes checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids, such as engine coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to ensure the engine breathes properly. Battery maintenance. Clean the battery terminals, check the battery's health, and replace it when it no longer holds a charge. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to ensure the engine runs smoothly. Suspension and steering inspection. Periodically inspect the suspension and steering components for wear and tear. Exhaust system inspection. Ensure the exhaust system is in good condition and doesn't have leaks. Regular cleaning. Keeping your car clean, both inside and out, can help prevent corrosion and maintain its appearance. Regular inspections. Consider having a professional mechanic perform regular inspections to catch potential issues early. Service at Cadillac dealerships. For specialized care and access to genuine Cadillac parts and trained technicians. It's advisable to have your Cadillac ELR serviced at a Cadillac dealership or authorized service center. Remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific maintenance intervals and service recommendations. Additionally, it's a good idea to visit a Cadillac dealership or an authorized service center for maintenance and repairs, as they have access to the latest information, parts, and trained technicians to ensure your Cadillac ELR receives the best care.